telephone number and the time that you called, and I'll return your call as soon as I can.
Hi, Detective Gore. It's Kathy Norris calling from Brantford. I really do believe that I found the area where that girl was buried in 1972 by my dad. She's in Section 1854, Cedarhurst Quarries. I've got the area marked. The police I spoke to said you will not go digging because you don't know if the area was the same in 1972. So I'm making checks now to confirm that the area was like that in 1972, although I'm very positive the area was exactly like that in 1972. I've also been informed that another body was found there in 1975 in that area. I am not sure if it was a male or female, solved or unsolved, but I would certainly like more information about that. By confirming to me whether that was a male or female found in that trail, the same as I'm looking for the other body. Anyway, the area should be dug up. I'll see what I find this week, and I'll probably be up there again next weekend for as long as it takes to try to dig up the hill. Thank you.
Homicide, Clark.
Hi, Detective Clark. It's Kathy Norris calling. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good.
What's been going on?
See, I'm really convinced that that area I found, Cedarhurst Trail, Section 1854, I'm pretty convinced that that's where that girl's buried.
Okay, I don't know where that is.
It's on Park Road. In fact, a body was found in that very area in 1975. I wonder if you can tell me whether that was also a young woman. Yeah, that's what the police informed me in the very area of what I'm looking for this girl, that a body was in fact found here in 1975.
Whose body do you think that is?
I don't know. They wouldn't tell me. They said they didn't know anything else about it. They did tell me that they did not come out to see me the day before because I told them I was looking for a body of a girl who was killed in 1972. And they checked their records and said, wait, but we found a body there in 1975.
Who told you this?
The police came out to see me. So that was on Cedarhurst Trail section.
Yeah, when? What day?
That was Sunday. I phoned them on Saturday to tell them that I definitely believe this area should be dug up and this is where the girl is. And they said it'd be up, but then I guess what the police told me is the girl's at the office. Checked their files and found that a body had already been found there in 75. So they didn't bother coming out to see this body because they figured she'd already been found. I'm saying it's a different body. So I'd definitely like to know who was found there in 1975. Because it is, definitely, might be coincidence that I'm looking for a body in the same place another body is already found. But I'd really like to know that. I do not believe it is the same body I'm looking for. It would be another one.
I'm sorry, I've never heard of anything of that information, so that's news to me. Yeah, Section 1854 Cedarhurst Trail.
Yeah.
Is that a quarry? That's Park Road.
Yeah, I got it marked very well. The police told me that you would not dig it up because you have to make sure that the area looked the same like that in 1972. They said because otherwise the whole area could have been changed, and I just think it's it. So I'm doing a lot of phoning around. I think that I will confirm that it wasn't like that in 1972.
Now, how did you mark this location or whatever if I drove up?
It's roped off. There's a sign. There's a huge hole there. You can't miss it.
Oh, where you were. Okay.
It's near the end. I drew pictures for you guys. And even on my pictures, I point out that the trail turns slightly to the left, and she's there just before the trail turns to the left. And that's exactly what I found. Like everything that I said should be there is there. Everything to a T. The height of the hills there. Everything's there.
You were officer, were you talking?
There was 3 of them. I don't know their names.
None of them?
No, I didn't take down any of their names.
Okay, and that was Sunday.
They came out Sunday. Yeah, but they told me that you wouldn't be able to dig it up because the whole area is probably changed in 72. I am stating that is exactly what I'm looking for, to a T. Everything's exactly, and I claim that area is not changed since 1972, and that's where she is.
Okay, all right. Let me make some inquiries. I just got
Clark. It's Kathy Norris phoning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good. See, if you had a chance to take a look at that area and compare it with the descriptions I gave and the picture that I gave?
My partner's looking at it. He did some aerials. We looked at that. And one thing that you mentioned that we've got no record of, and that's another body being found at that location.
Oh, that's what the cops told me when they came out to see me.
Yeah, well, we've got nothing on that.
Oh, I wonder why they thought that happened.
I got no. What officer were you talking to?
One of the ones that came out to speak to us. I don't know who he was, but he was the one who told me that a body being found there in 1975.
Yeah, so just took every record that we could possibly have from anything around that time frame or whatever. We don't have anything. But
Okay.
we've cleared that, but my partners looked at aerials, and we've located the area where a quarry could be, and we're just going through that now. So
I'm pretty sure. Have you taken a look at it?
no, we haven't drove out. It was his first day back today.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's, I'm pretty sure that's it. You know, like when I was there, I was looking and there's this white birch tree over to the right, and like that tree was even there in 1972. And I know he was digging just to the left of the birch tree, and I know that area is right. I know absolutely I'm correct. Absolutely. You know, so.
Okay, well, you're not going out this weekend?
Not this weekend, no.
Okay.
I can't go up this weekend, but I'll see how next weekend goes, because I would love to try to dig it out. Something else is really strange, too. Right near the edge of the hill, you know, when it starts sloping down, and I took pictures of it and everything, there was this mound, like the size of a person, and at the end of the mound, there's this huge rock that was put there. It was really weird when I was digging. The ground was different than all the other areas. Like all the other ones, we had the clay in the bottom and then the darker soil on top. The mound soil was all different, so it was definitely being disturbed, where the good soil's in the bottom and the clay was on top, so it was definitely being disturbed. Now, I wanted to dig at that mound more. I don't think that is where my dad put the body of that girl, but it was just really interesting. You know, like where...
You have those photographs you can send to me?
No, I can't. It's in my camera, and my computer won't let me download anything. I've taken it to get it fixed, so I have to wait till I've got money, unfortunately. And then I can share it with you.
Well, next week, for the first part of the week, we're going to be down in Sarnia and stuff like that.
Okay.
So we're busy on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but we'll see if we can get it for Thursday and have a look.
That would be great, because, you know, definitely that's got to be dug up. You know, one way or another, you know, it's got to be dug up, because I'm pretty sure of it. Now, with the case with Yvonne, I think Detective Dyke told me that the walking stick handle I gave him, that did match up to the wounds on her head.
No, well, we've got nothing. Like blunt force trauma, we don't have anything. It's not exact.
Yeah, but the very unique markings on the roe deer antler, and so I was told it was consistent with the wounds on her head. Why not? Because I'm pretty sure that's what he used to beat her with.
Well, there would have to be some DNA or something like that on the walking stick to give conclusive evidence of that. Right?
Yeah, but on the grounds of probability, the very unique markings on the walking stick certainly would have matched up to some of the wounds on her head.
Yeah, that would have. We don't have the availability of testing for certain impressions and stuff like that other than on the skull, which would have modified the original.
He just said he did not have the ability to check for certain impressions on the skull.
The availability of testing for certain impressions and stuff like that other than on the skull, which would have modified the original.
asked if they did that at the time, and he said no.
Yeah.
So we will check on the location out in Park Road there, Old Homestead, Cedar Quarry. And
Look at all the tapes that I said describing the place and the picture I drew. That's it. That's it to a T.